DreamWorks films co-produced by Lakeshore and Paramount Pictures. Gonna watch that one.
The people moved into their neighborhood.
What do we do for food?
Let's have food out the wazoo.
I'm okay with wazoo food.
Now the animals are hungry.
I want my cookie!
And suburbia will never be the same.
That was an SUV. Humans ride around in it because they are slowly losing their ability to walk.
Right? From the creators of Shrek and Madagascar. DreamWorks Over the Hedge. Rated PG.
Here's the devil.
I just feel really close to you. So where do you see us going?
Well, tonight I see us going back to my place. Trip, as long as you're up, son. Oh, come on, huh? You two have fun.
You live with your parents?
Is that a problem?
His parents want him out.
He's 35 years old. He still lives at home. That is not normal.
I've lived upstairs since I was 3.
It's gonna take a stick of dynamite to get me out of my parents' house.
And there's only one person for the job.
I am a professional motivator. For many young men, self-esteem develops during a romantic relationship. So, I simulate one.
Can I have a drink, son?
I can have your son moved out of this house by June 15th.
Hallelujah.
Take it you like Japanese food.
Oh, I love it. I'm also going to order a huge dessert, drink too much, and maybe talk about my own boyfriends. Does that intimidate you?
Oh, it's not easy.
For starters, you could make life a little more difficult for him.
Your bathroom needs cleaning. When you're done with the rubber gloves, turn them inside out.
Something's wrong with your mom.
Can I have a minute alone with him? Oh, emotional crisis day is so critical. Totally bonds us. What's his real name, anyway? I don't know. I just clean their teeth and chop off their... I had a nice time.
I did too.
Good night.
Good night. I'm in uncharted waters here, boys.
The ultimate professional.
What's going on? I am the worst person in the world. I can't do it.
Look, it's not that complicated. You like Trip. Tell him you like him.
Will be her match.
She gotta go.
You dumping Paula?
Everything's going along smooth, and all of a sudden, she gets serious.
That strip program of yours?
You're gonna have to start DDAing.
Matthew McConaughey. You are afraid of love.
I do sleep well at night.
On a twin bed with Superman sheets that you've had since you were 6.
Sarah Jessica Parker.
You can let her walk away, giving her space. Now, I'm going after her.
Failure to launch.
Now available on DVD.
Every story has an ending.
What would happen in your perfect world?
Every time we come back, we're still together. But this one is just beginning. I'm gonna leave soon. Come home to Laguna Beach.
I love Kristen. I still love Kristen.
I've been dating him. Does that mean no more Steven?
Am I supposed to be really happy to see you or something?
Return to the well. Everyone has Tiffany's. Return to the drama. I don't even know why I'm crying right now. She wants to latch on and eat it. Steven's kind of sketchy too.
I'm very cautious about that one.
This year, friendships will be tested. Dude, what the hell? Taylor, what's up with you and Kristen? She supposedly hates me now. She'll be alright. Trusts will be betrayed. Are you lying?
No.
So we're in a relationship?
Yeah.
Jason has cheated on you. Wait, how do you know? You can't trust him. Hearts will be broken.
No matter what she says, she still wants you, and I can tell.
I hate boys! And love still rules it all. Laguna Beach. Second season. Twice the drama. Drama. I love it.
Following previous following Motion Picture Association America.
The Madonnas. The Phantoms. At these high schools, volleyball isn't a game, it's a lifestyle.
So that are you back getting down? Let's find out.
Now,
We're live. We're devastating fire has enveloped the Villa Madonna.
It's hot. We don't even have a school anymore. We can all go to Cathedral High. You must be joking if you think I'm going to step foot into that school. The three of us could rule that school. They got a national championship. That's what we need. Let's do this.
when rivals are forced to become teammates,
You can do this the easy way, or you can do this the hard way. We're going to do this our way. This is Phantom territory. I'm going to just pay him rent.
lines will be crossed,
This gangster volleyball?
boundaries will be tested,
You might want to take some notes because you actually might learn something.
and everything will get personal. MTV Studios and Paramount Home Entertainment present music sensation CR and Adrian Bailon from the Cheetah Girls, featuring music by Marquez Houston, Frankie J, Lil Rock, and playing skills with Big Gemini and Rob G.